Hello, this is Mrs. Liu. Let us look at this science question. A compound has the chemical formula Mn₂CO₃. How many elements and atoms are present in the compound? So how many elements are there? Elements, we know the first alphabet has to be capital. If the second alphabet is small, this is considered one element. Then carbon is the second element, and oxygen is the third element. So there are three elements in this compound. It's either C or D. How many atoms are there? So we have Mn₂CO₃ three times. Okay, so manganese itself has 2 atoms. And over here, carbon is 1, oxygen 3. So 3 plus 1 is 4. But there are 3 times of this 4. So it times 3. So it's actually 2 plus 12. So there are 14 atoms in this formula. So the answer is D. That's all for today. Remember, you are a miracle.